Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I will show you how to update display drivers. You can see in the Lenovo ThinkPad T470 the display brightness is not increasing or decreasing. So how can I solve this problem? So firstly open the Chrome. Okay, we at now our laptop and search here Chrome, and before going to the Chrome browser, search on the search bar cmd command prompt. Okay, and open the command prompt and search this command wmic wmic, then space BIOS space get serial number. Okay, after get, I not give this space after the get, so give this space after get. Okay, now it's clear. And go back to the get, and you can see this here cause I not put the right command. I do a little bit mistake here. Write the correct command. Okay, wmic BIOS get serial number. So now we get the our laptop serial number. Serial number is your laptop details. Okay, laptop products details, Lenovo details. So copy this serial number and close this window and go to the Chrome browser. Okay, open the Chrome browser and search here on the search bar Lenovo ThinkPad laptop drivers. Okay, so type here Lenovo ThinkPad or Lenovo laptop drivers. Okay, we will show you how to update and download genuine driver for Lenovo laptop T470 model. The search, this is the first option, and Lenovo laptop drivers, and this is the first website link, drivers and software from Lenovo website. Click on the first drivers and software link, and now you can see this interface like this. Lenovo, we add now our Lenovo website, and okay, just close it, and you can see here serial number option. So put your laptop serial number and hit on the Ctrl plus V. So now you can see the our serial number pasted on serial number section here. So just click on this arrow mark, you can get your device information. So now you can see the T470 and see all about the your laptop details. Okay, and then select the manual update, automatic manual update, and then scroll down and select display and video graphics option. Click on the display and video graphics option, just to click, and after scroll down and select Intel HD graphics drivers. You can see this version, and here are the download option, this option, and the year of this driver updated. So our driver is downloading. After the download completed, here you can see it's take usually 10 to 10 minutes. Okay, depend on your Wi-Fi connection speeds. So okay, and click on this file. Okay, Windows, oh sorry, driver update file. After you click, you can see a pop-up message on your window. Yes, so here you should give the permission yes, allow this, and set up the language and file. Okay, and click on next and click here next. After click next, accept the agreement. After the accepting the agreement, click on next and install also. Okay, click on the stake, keep this same as it is. Okay, after the file successfully installed, okay, you should wait 10 to 5 minutes for the installation, complete installation. You should not close this window. Okay, if you close and cancel this window, you can't solve your problem, display brightness problem. Okay, after it's completely installed and extracted on your laptop, just wait. The laptop will showing the black screen, and it's showing blinking. Okay, after it's blink, your problem is solved. So now you can see the installing the file is process on the way. Just wait for a while and a few web movement, and you can see here display is blinking. After it's blink, you can see the and now it's solved it. And now we will check our problem is solved or not. Display driver is successfully updated or not. Just we click on the menu option, Wi-Fi option, and here you can see how now you can see the display brightness is increasing or decreasing now. Before the it's not increasing or decreasing caused due to driver's problem. Okay, so driver's display problem is solved here, and graphic driver successfully installed on our laptop. Okay guys, video like, share and subscribe to our channel.